Way! Good morning! Codger of the Biker is in town, and I'm out early. Sunday morning. Not something I normally do, but thought I'd get out before everybody else did. Just wanted to show you my cheap mirrors. Look at them, folding mirrors on a Royal Enfield for £16, free delivery. Who wouldn't want that? And they're quite stable, even though I'm going along. Look, I don't think they're quite as stable as the OEM ones, but there's not a lot in it, and they're perfectly usable, I have found. And they could probably be made more stable if I tighten them up a bit more. I've left them relatively loose to begin with, so I can fold them in and out. I can't thrash my bike, got to keep the revs down, running it in still. So there they are, nearly 60 miles an hour, perfectly good view behind both sides, and they fold up should I want them to. You can adjust them. £16. I wanted the touring mirrors by Royal Enfield, but they're 150 quid. So I've got these two. Get back a bit so you can see, and I'm really happy with them. I'll pull over, show you them in a minute. I won't show the install because there isn't really any install to show, apart from to mention the one thing, which I will show you in a second. Oop, bit of gravel. Okay, so there are the mirrors on the bike. You can see them. They're still Mickey Mouse type, but because I store my bike when it's not in the garage in quite a tight location where it goes through a gate, I don't really want bar-end mirrors making it wider, and these just fold in like that. I can then wheel the bike into its storage. I'm really pleased with them. Now, I haven't tightened them up fully yet. I've got an Allen key with me to adjust them as I go along. You tighten them up here, and they come with about 6 different adapters, left and right-handed, if I could say it. I think this side was a left-handed one. I think it's a 1mm thread. Don't quote me on it, but I think it's the fine thread. Don't force it. Last thing you want to do is strip the threads out of there. So there's an adapter there, an adapter there, all included in the pack. 2 mirrors, $15.99 delivered. I can't put a link up because I'm not affiliated. It's nothing to do with me. I just found them online, but I will put your screenshot up and you can search for it yourself. It's different in different countries anyway. So for $15.99 they'll do me for now. Maybe for Christmas I'll get the Royal Enfield touring mirrors, but I'm very pleased with those. I'm very pleased with that. And on that note, Codger Biker is out.